Hello everyone, welcome to Interview the Influencer show. Today we have with us Yugandhar Deshmukh. He is basically a freelance musician, uh, composer, producer, and a programmer. Wow, that's a big list for you, Yugandhar. Hello, Yugandhar. How are you?
Hi Rishi, how are you? I'm good here.
Good,
How are you?
good, good. Just okay. Then he is a producer and composer in music since 7 years now. And recently, last week, he has been awarded with Southern Shorts Awards, which is basically achievement in music. So before we
Thank you.
go, Yugandhar, can you just quickly tell how this award is, or sorry, what the award is and how, I mean, something history for that.
Actually, the awards are I just won the award for the best background score for a short film, which I
Okay.
did last past 2 3 months. I've been working on that.
Okay.
So yeah, so that's why I won that award
Okay,
for that.
and this award is for the music you produce for, I mean, what exactly you did for that?
I did the background score for the
Okay,
short. Yeah.
okay. And I think, I mean, this award is not from India. I think it's
Yeah,
in.
it's basically from United States.
Oh, wow. So so you produce music for one of the your US client or something like that?
Yeah. No, no, the client is from India only, but he has submitted the film to the festival in US. So,
Wow. Okay.
and
Hats off to for that.
thank you so much. And entire team has won some sort of awards for like the editor has also won the award, the producer has also won the award. So it's a team effort, I can say.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, and we thank you for joining us on this Interview the Influencer show. And
Thank you so much
then,
for inviting me.
so Yugandhar, before we start our interview, I would like to ask you if this is okay if I record this and put it on YouTube.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely, no problem. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, then let's start our zeroth question, which is how are you today and how are the things around you, like your surroundings and like that.
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. And if you are asking me about the current situation, then the things around are somehow same all over the world, I guess.
Yes.
So yeah,
Yes, I think it's because of the coronavirus, but
because
I
of the
mean it's same. I understand that it is same everywhere around the world. Okay, then we go to actual first question. How was your
yeah,
journey up to the position which you are now?
yeah. The journey was really good. I can say. Um, I'm a keyboardist basically, and I've started playing the keyboard when I was 4 or 5 years.
Wow.
And yeah, my journey started from a Casio SA11, which was a very small toy-style keyboard that I had.
Okay.
And yeah, my parents gave it to me randomly, and I started playing some Hindi songs by just listening to them on the
Wow.
audio cassettes.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is when it all started. And eventually, I got a few bigger keyboards, and then I learned piano and gave few exams of Trinity,
Okay.
and then it started.
Okay.
Then, while doing the engineering, I was in a group of some very talented artistic friends of mine,
Okay.
and we used to participate in some well-known competitions like Purushottam Karandak
Oh,
and
right, right. Okay.
Firodia Karandak.
Okay.
Yeah, so that I had composed few songs then, and people gave me very positive response for on that.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was the time I decided to make this as in my profession. Um, then I've started working in this field from like 2013, right
Okay.
after I passed out from the college.
Okay. Okay.
And yeah, and I worked on some very basic radio jingles initially.
What
Then
is that? Radio jingles?
radio jingles are like the jingles you hear on the radios, like
Okay. Mm-hmm.
very small advertisements and all, like
Oh, okay.
very
Okay.
20 second or 30 second ads.
Okay.
So yeah, so I did the ads initially, and then I approached to Prasad Sashte,
Okay.
a very respected name in today's
Yes.
music
Yes.
industry.
Yes.
He's a very big music producer.
Okay.
And surprisingly, after pitching him for a few months, he called me at his studio one day and heard some of my work, and he agreed to start assisting him. So I assisted him for almost like 5 to 6 years,
Wow.
and
Okay.
yeah, and I learned many things in the music production. So Holiday was the first film I assisted him as an
Really?
s-
Okay.
uh, assistant background score programmer.
Okay.
And then I did some more films with him, like Force 2, Commando 2. Then I did Shadi Mein Zarur Aana, and then recently I did Namaste England. As
Wow.
a,
All Bollywood big
all
movies.
Bollywood, yeah, just
Okay.
because of Prasad sir, yeah.
Okay.
And so this was all the learning journey for me so far, and yeah, of course the journey of learning never ends.
Okay. That's
So
very
yeah,
true. Okay.
yeah.
That's nice. Um. Okay. Then we go to the second question. How is your 24 hours of work? I mean, how you spend your off day and working day?
Uh, so yeah, my day starts like at any time around the clock. I mean, when I feel like something is going to create, I just turn my system on and I start working regardless of the timing.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, and I am not a morning person, but I am trying to become a morning person. And I have achieved my record-breaking wake-up time of 8 a.m. so far.
Okay.
So, so yeah, and I'm hoping to improve it.
Okay.
So
But
talking about, yeah, tell
no,
me.
yes, I mean what you just said that the creation can be, I mean it can pop
It
out
can happen, yeah, at
anytime.
any
Okay.
time. Yeah,
Okay.
at any time. So,
Okay.
yeah. So, so yeah, and talking about day offs, this term is not actually applicable for the music producers, I can say, because we have to work on the deadline,
Okay.
and so there is no Sunday as such, or any weekdays can be a Sunday.
Okay.
So most of the day offs I get are on the weekends. It's on the weekdays, sorry.
Okay.
Whenever my day offs get synced with my wife's, we immediately plan a short tour because
Okay.
we both like traveling a lot,
Okay.
and fortunately we both have a common friend circle. So together many of times we plan long tours as well.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, and apart from that, I watch Netflix a lot.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe that is something also inspiring in kind of like getting a lot of
Yeah,
music
it's
and
it's sort of it's sort of the it's a study sort of material
haha.
which I get from
Yes, yes.
watching the web series and all uh, films on the Netflix.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. Um,
Yeah.
then we go to the third question. Why or what you love the most from your job? Something which you are very proud of.
Yeah, it's music actually, because this is what people listen to keep their mind stable,
True.
and to feel the emotions, then to express their feelings, then to show their patriotism, or to heal from any trauma. I
Okay.
mean, one can go to any mental state by listening to the appropriate music.
True. True. Yes.
So yeah, and I am very fortunate to pursue my career where my interest is.
Wow. Okay,
So
that's nice.
yeah, so job is not a good term for my work actually.
Uh-huh.
I'd say I get paid by pursuing my hobbies and and my passion,
Okay.
and
Yes.
what would be a better thing in the world than that?
Right, right.
So
I mean, this
that
is
is
something we can take away from this point is yes, if you happen to have your work which you have passion about, then
uh,
definitely is what you say. I mean, I like personally very much that you get
yeah,
paid for the work you like to do. I mean, for your
exactly.
hobby as such. I mean, this is really something nice. Uh, I think
Yeah.
not all are that fortunate, but thank you for having such a good understanding. Okay.
Thank you.
And so you did said that you are also proud of the music or
Yeah,
the work.
that's what I'm proud of actually.
Okay, that's super nice. Okay, then we go to the fourth question. Which
Yeah.
is your daily ritual or a habit that you are following since long time? Why and how it benefits you?
Yeah, it's a tough question. There is no ritual as such because I'm not a very spiritual person. And neither am a like I don't believe in God. It's not like that. But yes, there are some habits. It's day-to-day habits like I've started drinking a lot of water,
Okay.
which
Uh-huh.
I recently started. Yeah, I practice piano daily. So this is a good habit, I can say.
Uh-huh.
So you can just follow very sincerely what you are loving
Correct,
and
correct.
you
Okay. Mm-hmm.
yeah.
At least
So this
some
is what
time every day you should do what you like.
yeah. You should take time for that.
Oh, correct. Okay, thank you. Then, fifth question for you is what is your favorite food and which you can have in every meal?
I I'm very lazy at eating.
Okay.
You will get to know after seeing my biceps. It's not that good, big. So yeah, still I'm a hardcore non-veg person.
Okay.
And yeah, if you are asking me only dish, then I can have fish in every meal.
Wow. Okay. That's nice. Okay. So any specific dish in from the like seafood or any kind of
Uh,
seafood?
any kind of seafood. I'm just non-veg person.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Then the next question is, you are most possessive about.
Nah, I'm not a possessive person. Like about other people, I believe in giving freedom to others. So let them do what they are doing.
Okay.
And but yes, I'm damn possessive about my gadgets, my piano, my MacBook, and all my stuff.
Okay.
So you can say I have the OCD about my stuff. So every time after using, I keep my hard drive into its original package.
Okay.
So I'm,
Okay.
so I'm
Okay.
possessive about my gadgets.
Okay. I think and those gadgets like your PC or everything which you said just now is also the maybe locker of your creative ideas and
Yeah.
all of your up till now and then in future upcoming all the creations from your side maybe is also locked in that.
Yeah. I'm sure. I'm sure.
Okay, nice. Okay. Then the seventh question is what are your biggest strengths and what keeps you going in tough times?
Biggest strengths, like all others, my parents who have supported me through the journey and still supporting, and my wife who believes in me and showing me the correct path towards my aim every time, and all the people around me who appreciates my work,
Okay.
and uh, these are all my strengths, I can say. And remembering that I haven't reached to my aim yet keeps me going through hard times.
Wow. Okay. I think that is a good line. I mean, you have not reached your destination
Yeah,
or your aim is the biggest motivation or a power or
motivation. Yeah,
whatever you say strength to keep you going. Okay, that's a I mean that's a very nice lines you can add on today.
yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Okay. Then eighth question is who or what is your inspiration? What motivates you?
There are many people around the world keeps inspiring me.
Okay.
Like for music, it's Rahman sir, Lata Didi, and many more. And then to if you want to become a good person, humble person, it's Sachin Tendulkar. Then to be a true patriot, it's our brave soldiers.
Right.
Then
Yes.
to work hard without
Mm-hmm.
any expectations, it's our farmers. There are amazing people in this world, and each day someone inspires or motivates me in one or another manner.
Okay. Okay. That's very nice. Okay. And what motivates you?
All these people that I just said, these
Okay.
are these are all the motivation.
Okay. I mean, so all these. the people you said that those are your motivation, but being a musician or a composer, are you looking on to any kind of awards or, I mean,
No,
something
no,
like that?
I'm not expecting any sort of awards. I'm not that sort of a person.
Okay.
Award it's such a thing that someone appreciates your work in one form. That
Mm-hmm.
form is awards, I can say.
Okay.
So I
So,
don't it's not like कि अवार्ड्स के लिए ये लोग हम मुझे ये करना है कि या फिर किसी को पाने के लिए मुझे ये करना है. I don't believe in that.
okay,
Just
okay.
yeah,
So
so
you're doing your best, and
yeah,
I mean, so you get feedback not in kind of awards. I mean, kind of awards also, but you will you say that it's not just restricted to any kind of award, but it's all
yeah,
any kind of things is good for you. That
yeah,
is
yeah.
also nice. I mean, okay, that's nice. Good. Okay, then the ninth question is what makes you smile and how you propagate happiness.
uh, my instant friends with their meaningless jokes and, and makes me smile, and
True.
I try the same to spread the happiness.
Okay.
And because I believe there is no reason in this world to become serious every time. So
Okay.
you should
Mhm.
be always you know you should always be happy. It's
Correct. Okay.
no need to become sad.
Right, right. Then we go to the next question, which is actually I will ask you, I mean, not ask you, will
Yeah.
say five words, and then
Okay.
I would like to know what are your comments on that.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
amongst those five words, the first one is health.
Okay. Health. Unlike me, never skip your workout because I'm going to start it very soon as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the second one is passion.
Passion. Yeah. Yeah. Try to make it your profession so that the work will it will no longer be the work actually, and
Perfect.
you'll start enjoying it.
Okay, the correct. I mean, yes, this is the best answer for passion. The third one is risk.
Calculated risk should be taken, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then fourth one is dream.
Dream, you should have the guts to fulfill it.
Okay, short and sweet.
Yeah.
Then the fifth one is a superpower.
Superpower. For me, it's the God.
Okay.
Like uh, by looking at which you can feel the positiveness, feel the power within you.
Okay.
So it's what superpower for me.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Then our last question for today, the 11th one. One golden message you would like to give to your followers.
Okay. I'd like to tell all the people out there that always take only positives from the others,
Okay.
but never neglect the negatives also, because it is equally necessary to know what should not be implemented.
Perfect.
So yeah, so in short, yeah, do watch Narcos and become Escobar's fan, but never forget the end.
Okay. Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good, very good. So those are all 11 questions. Thank you, Yogandhar, for your amazing answers.
Thank you so
And
much for inviting me, Rishi. Thank you so much.
yes, we are really welcome.
Thank you.
And now, as a producer and a programmer of a music, we would like to hear something from you. And we come
Yeah.
back in some time. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, we are back, Yugandhar. Let's hear from you, the creation, the producer, the programming of music. Over to you. I'll mute myself. Thank you.
Yeah. ठीक है.
Okay.
Thank you so much. And I'm going to give us a very small video about how I work in which software I work, how music programming happens. And for that, I am uh, the music piece which you have heard at the very beginning of this program. So that was the background score chunk which I have created for the film Namaste England, and it was a British symphony sort of melody.
Wow. Okay.
And yeah, so I'm going to just give you all guys the idea behind it and how
Sure.
I've created the symphony. So yes, just I'll just
Okay.
share my screen. So this is the software in which I usually work. This is Logic Pro X. It's a very famous software for music production. One of the softwares. So this is I usually work. I usually create melody first on piano, and then I start orchestrating it. So for that, these are all the tracks. These are the strings section. This is the woodwind section, and these are harps. It's a very basic orchestration. It's not very heavy, but this is how it it happens. Like this is a harp. You can hear the track of the harp. Just a sec. So yeah, these are harps. Then on that I have laid the melody on violins. So um, so together it will sound like this. So yeah, together these two were the tracks. This is violin staccatos, and this is harps. And then I've created the melody line on the staccatos. So this is the basic melody. Then one by one, all the elements you can add all the elements. Like then you can fulfill the string section by including the violas, then cellos, then double bass. So I'll just go on soloing one by one instrument so that you can get the feel.
Okay.
So this firstly I've turned on violas and violins and staccatos and with the harps.
Okay.
These are the harps. So yeah. So then with the cello on. You might not able to hear the cello and double bass as the frequencies are very low, so you cannot uh, I cannot capture it on this mic. So
But
but yeah,
this is really awesome.
yeah. And then the double bass basically completes the section, the string section. So only the string section you can hear this double bass and cellos together.
Wow.
Yeah, so this double bass and cello fulfills the they give body to the entire strings. So together it sounds like this. Yeah. So, and with that, to add some sort of the mellowness or very soft feel into that. Uh, we usually uh, program woodwinds into the orchestration so that the all the harshness can be wiped off. Yeah, so these are the woodwinds. So yeah, this is how it sounds all together.
Okay.
I'll just play it. Yeah, one, two, three.
Wow. Amazing. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, yes.
This is
Okay.
the basic idea behind the music production. Most of the people, they don't know how what is music production and what is the difference between composition and programming. So this is all about programming. You for programming the songs, uh, the programmer gets the melody from the composer. It's a very simple one-liner melody
Uh-huh.
which the composer or any scratch singer have sung, and they send it to you, and then we programmers uh, creates the music behind the tune basically.
Okay.
So it all works like that.
Okay, okay, perfect, amazing. I mean, I was like, wow, yeah, I just wanted to hear it for like couple of hours together, I guess.
Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you, Yogandhar, and
Thank you.
we really had a good understanding of this programming of a music, and
Yeah, I hope.
thank you for all your
Thank you so
information.
much.
And
Thank you
for
so
all
much.
the viewers who would like to connect with Yugandhar, I will put down the links to his Facebook and Instagram. You can follow him and get more information from him. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.